Need to move text between sticky notes or copy information from another app. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to copy and paste in sticky notes using both keyboard shortcuts and your mouse, making it quick and easy to manage your notes. First, open Sticky Notes from the Start menu. Then open an existing note or create a new one by selecting the plus button. Click inside the note so your cursor is ready for editing. To copy text, highlight the words you want to copy. Then press Ctrl+C on your keyboard, or right-click the selected text and choose Copy if that option is available. Next, click where you want the copied text to appear. So press Ctrl+V to paste it, or right-click and choose Paste if your version of Windows provides that option. You can also copy text from web pages, documents, emails, or other applications and paste it directly into Sticky Notes. You can also copy information from Sticky Notes into other programs whenever you need it. Keep in mind that Sticky Notes is designed for simple text. Most pasted content appears as plain text, so complex formatting, tables, or images may not be preserved. For detailed formatting, consider using Microsoft OneNote or a word processor. And that's how to copy and paste in Sticky Notes. It's a simple feature that makes moving information between notes and other apps much faster. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Windows guides, and thanks for watching.